Hey there! Today we're going to make this very easy customizable photo frame from scratch. All we need is some white paper, some shades of blue, a pencil, a pen, some scissors, a paintbrush, some blue watercolor paint, a double-sided foam tape, and a sheet where you can use your watercolor on. First, I'm going to take out my pencil and start sketching out a cute little elephant. Once you're done, make sure to erase out any of the extra lines before you set your paintbrush on it. Now let's start giving it a light wash. Take some watercolor paint and add in a lot of water to it. The shade should be as light as this. I'm making sure to give a very light watercolor wash on this drawing and only on the insides. Now, using my black marker pen, I am making the outlines as dark as possible. Using a pencil and a scale, I'm drawing really light lines that indicate the lines of a balloon thread. Using a compass or any random circular object that you have, draw circles on these shades of blue sheets. Once you're done, neatly cut out these circles and group them together. These circles that we made are nothing but balloons to write on. Let's place them at random positions and make sure that two similar colors don't overlap each other. Now let's use a double-sided foam tape and cut a tiny piece of it. Stick this piece on one of the circles and peel off the other side. You can stick one on top of the other. This will give a 3D effect to these circles at various heights. Now I'm going to stick all the circles, a few with one foam tape, a few with two, and a few with three. And that's it. This cute little elephant holding blue balloons is now ready to be framed in a photo frame of your choice. If you are planning to gift this to someone, you can write cute little messages on these balloons or even write your names before you put this into the photo frame. Enjoy and happy creating!